Hi, my name is Sourish and I am the storyteller. First of all, I want to congratulate the team, The Guiding Voice, for going towards their 250th episode. It's a big thing, it's a big number. Let me tell you three things about TGV that will make you understand that why TGV is going to be the best podcast and blogging group going ahead. First one is their focus. I love the way that they do the due diligence and research before welcoming somebody to come on board on their platform to speak. And for the millions of people tuned in listening, this becomes a place for them to learn something new which changes their life forever. Second one is the place of strength. They know what to expect from the participant or the speaker coming up and they curate their talks accordingly. And the third one, which is close to me, is the sense of purpose. The way they want themselves to be bigger than TEDx. Let me tell you one thing. It's going to be very soon that the world will sit up and take notice of the powerhouse that the Guiding Voice is going to become. All the very best and see you there.